Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Technitium DNS Server and Pihole, two powerful network tools that help control DNS, block ads, and improve privacy on your home or office network. If you are a privacy enthusiast, a home lab builder, or just someone who hates ads and trackers, this comparison will show you what each solution does, how they differ, and which might be the right one for you in 2025. So let's get started. Technitium DNS Server is an open-sourced, full-featured DNS server that you can self-host on your own hardware, whether that's a Raspberry Pi, a home server, or a virtual machine. It's designed to replace or supplement your ISP's DNS service, giving you control over every DNS query your network makes. Unlike many simpler DNS tools, Technitium does both. It does authoritative DNS to host and serve DNS records for your own domains, and recursive DNS to resolve any domain out on the internet, just like public DNS providers do. It also has a built-in ad and malware blocking. Essentially, Technitium lets you take control of your DNS, from blocking ads and trackers to running a proper DNS server for all your local and internet needs. How about Pihole? It's the classic network ad blocker. Pihole started life as a simple tool to block ads and trackers at the DNS level across your entire network. Instead of installing ad blockers on every device, Pihole sits in the middle and prevents devices from ever resolving domains known to serve ads or tracking code. It does this by acting as a DNS sinkhole, comparing DNS requests against block lists and blacklisting known advertising and tracking domains. If a domain is on the checklist, Pihole returns a fake IP address so that the ad never loads at all. Pihole also includes a dashboard to show top blocked domains, query starts, and allows users to manage block lists and whitelist via a web interface. Now let us talk about the main features of Technitium and Pihole. We start with Technitium. Full DNS resolver and authoritative server in one. Modern encrypted DNS support. DNS SEC validation and cryptographic security. Built-in blocking of ads, trackers, malware domains as well. Conditional forwarding and advanced zone management. Integrated DHCP server with DNS updates. And it works on different platforms: Windows, Linux, macOS, and Raspberry Pi. It also has a powerful web console and REST API for automation. In short, with all of those features, Technitium is a full DNS platform. It's not just a blocker. How about the features of Pihole? Network-wide ad and tracker blocking at the DNS layer is a standard feature. It has a web dashboard with stats, lists, and controls. There are also custom block lists and whitelists. It also has an optional DHCP server and is easy to install it on Raspberry Pi or Linux. Pihole is simple by design because it focuses on ad and tracker blocking, not the full DNS infrastructure. Now, what is the pricing like? Here's the good news. Both Technitium and Pihole are completely free and open sourced. There are no subscriptions or paid tiers required to unlock the core features on either platform. Both can be deployed entirely at your cost of hardware or hosting, so the price is $0. You will pay only for the machine that you're running it on. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, the pros. For Technitium DNS Server, it's a full DNS resolver plus authoritative server that gives you next level control. It has advanced security, encrypted DNS and DNS SEC. Its integrated DHCP and REST API makes automation very easy. And it works on more than one operating system platform. And the pros of Pihole? It's very easy to install and use. It's beginner friendly. It's lightweight. It's basically ideal for Raspberry Pi and small setups. And the dashboard has excellent stats and logs for insights. How about the cons? For Technitium DNS Server, it has more complexity because it has a steeper learning curve, and it can use more resources if it's deeply configured. How about the cons of Pihole? It is primarily a blocker, not a full DNS server, and it has limited advanced DNS features like zones or authoritative hosting. So, which is best in 2025? Well, here's a balanced opinion. You should go with Pihole if you want quick, simple network-wide ad and tracker blocking, or if you're new to networking or want something minimal fuss. You should also go with Pihole if you're running a small home network or primarily care about ads, or if you want rich dashboards and community support that's been mature for years. On the other hand, I suggest you go with Technitium DNS Server if you want full control over DNS infrastructure and not just ad blocking, and if you care about privacy and encrypted DNS protocols. So in 2025, for the average home user, Pihole might still be the better everyone can use it option. But if you are a power user and a privacy geek, then Technitium becomes the more capable platform. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore AdGuard Home, NextDNS, and Blocky. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.